speaks to me. Found these words today, like they were meant to be, written for my heart. Oh, songs, new heart beating. Oh, songs, new heart beating. Walking through stone walls, time worn and true. Words from long ago say what I couldn't do. Speaking through the years, old songs, new heart beating. Old songs, new heart beating. Through the years, heart still beating, heart still beating. Tempest future, time runs away. I'm orphan sick, love remains. Semper Fidelis, always the same, like the words on these pages calling my name. Oh, songs, new heart beating. Oh, songs, new heart beating. Through the years, through the heart still beating, heart still beating. Found myself in ink, found myself in time. Words that others wrote, now they feel like mine. Old songs, new heart beating. Old songs, new heart beating. Old songs, through the years, new heart still beating. Morning frost on the window pane, I keep checking for green. Empty branches against gray, I keep checking for green. Counting days till the thaw can't make winter move faster at all. Every morning, every afternoon, I keep checking for green. Through the soil, through the gloom, I keep checking for green. Bought seeds I can't plant yet, I keep checking for green. Reading almanacs, making bets on when the birds might show. Walking circles in melting snow, I keep checking for green. Counting days till the thaw can't make winter move faster at all. Every morning, every afternoon, I keep checking for green. Through the soil, through the gloom, I keep checking for green. There's a patch where the snow's wearing thin, something small pushing through, breaking in. I keep checking, I keep checking for green. Every morning, every afternoon, I keep checking for green. Through the soil, through the gloom, I'm the sea green. Looking past my reflection on glass, fields I remember from years ago past. That old barn still leans to the right, and I count the fences like I did as a kid. But something's shifting what I see. These familiar views feel brand new to me. Every mile brings me closer to home. Yeah, distance grows in what I've known. These tracks feel different now. The station where we used to meet has a fresh coat of paint, looks almost sweet. I watch his family say goodbye. Their hugs mirror moments I left behind. The coffee shops become something new, but I still taste those mornings with you. Every mile brings me closer to home. Yeah, distance grows in what I've known. These tracks feel different now. Time moves faster than any train, changing places I thought would stay the same. I'm not who I was when I left this town, and home's a feeling I'm still figuring out. The sun sets earlier than I recall, painting farmland in colors I can't name it all. Each turn reveals what time can do, the places I thought I already knew. And maybe that's exactly what I needed to see. Every mile brings me closer to home. Yeah, distance grows in what I've known. These tracks feel different now. These tracks feel different now. clear, caught your smile. Laughing at nothing at all. La 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 la, summer calls. Summer calls. Memories in my hand, fading faster than I planned. Your sunburned shoulders tell our tale. Sweet salted lemonade. Your sunburned shoulders, summer's dance. One more photo, one last chance. Melting ice cream down your chin. Ferris wheel spins again, catching moments as they fade. Summer days, summer days. Les souvenirs de cet été dans mes mains, ils vont s'envoler comme les vagues sur le sable. Ces moments irremplaçables. Your sunburned shoulders tell our tale. Sweet salted lemonade. Your sunburned shoulders, summer's dance. One more photo, one last chance. Torn pieces scattered wide. Your smile split in two. Summer rain washes through these fragments of me and you. Sand in your hair one last time. La 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 la. Seen you around lately, your posts keep showing up. Kinda weird, but whatever, guess you're having the time. Got that new bikini pic, 300 likes and counting. I'm not keeping track, but maybe I scroll too much. Double tapping through memories. Tag locations make me sick. Wish I could just delete this app, but I keep coming back. Are you really having fun without me? Is it better now that I can't see? Are you really having fun without me? Or just ghosting like you are? Working late night shifts now while you hit